Okay, welcome back. This is MoTech. I'm Noel Mwadende from by Moses. In our program number 11, we are going to learn about if condition. If condition is used to check a certain condition to be satisfied. The code below if condition, I mean code after this line. So from line number 9 up to the end in the code below if condition will not be executed without a defined condition to be satisfied. So code below this condition, if is false, it will not execute. So let's go and open your compiler. Control N for creating new file in Boland. #include iostream using namespace std int main, our main function, put comment, if condition C++ program. Int, define your variable of type int x is equal to 4 semicolon, then put your condition if x is equal to 4. It means if x, we know that variable x is defined as 4. So 4 is equal to 4, this condition is true. So the code below this condition will execute cout, send the output to the screen. This is logical true. This is logical true. Yeah, it is true because 4 is equal to 4. So there is equal between declared variable which take a value of 4 and 4 itself. So cout that is if condition, just send message to the screen, then end line, return 0, put a semicolon. Yeah, that is the end of our program. We need to compile it. So if you can see, our program should be saved as if condition.c_p. So compile your program and name it if condition double c no c single c double p. So if we see our compiled program is free of errors and free of warning, compile and run it to see the output. So this is logical true, that is if condition, or I should that is if condition, yeah, something like that. Compile and run, yeah. Compare output shown in figure 22 with our output from console. Here you can see these are looking similar. This is logical true, that is if condition. This is logical true, that is if condition. So this is the end of program number 11. Do not miss program number 12. Thank you for watching. This is MoTech. I'm Noel Mwadende. Do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you in the next video.